Hello students, I am Sister Mary here. Welcome to 10th Maths NCERT Chapter 15 Probability. Today we are going to study from exercise 15.1 question 2. Which of the following experiments have equally likely outcomes? Explain. So, before going into the questions, let's try to understand what exactly they are asking us. What is the meaning of equally likely outcome? We have to understand the meaning of this. If you know the meaning of it, then it is easy to answer. Equally likely outcome. So, let's see the explanation. Equally likely outcome meaning is, for example, when we toss the coin, we have two options. Either head will come or tail will come. So there is 50-50 percentage of chances are there. So if you have to find out the outcome for probability of head, then the total possibility is 2. In that, for head to come, there is 1 chance is there. Same way, for if we have to say for tail also, the total possibilities are 2 here. But in that, tail to come, there is 1 chance is there. So for head also to come, there is 1 chance. And for tail to come also, there is a chance. So that is, equal chances are there. So equal chances. Equal chances. This is known as equally likely outcome when you have equal chances. Now, not equally likely outcome. I have taken here, consider it is a spinner. In the spinner, there is a black color is here and blue color is here and red color is here. If we spin this, there is a equal chances for blue and red because both are having the same area. So there is a equal chances for blue and red to come. But more chances are there for black to come because the black covers more area. Therefore, for black to come, more chances are there when we spin it. But for blue and red, equal chances are there. So this type of experiments, we call it not equally likely outcome because more chances are there for black. So this is known as not equally likely outcome. So I hope you understood. Equally likely outcome means equal chances. Not equally, not having an equal chances are known as not equally likely outcome. So now let's see the question. Now in question 1, a driver attempts to start a car. The car starts or does not start. So what type of outcome is it? For example, a driver is starting a car. If the car is good condition, it will start. But if it does not start, then there can be a lot of reasons for not starting. It can be engine must be in repair, or it must be old, or there is a breakdown, or something happened to the brakes. Anything can be, or the tire is punctured, or whatever may be. There are a lot of conditions are there for not starting the car. But to start, just simple condition. If the car is in good condition, car will start. But there is a lot of conditions are there for not starting the car. Therefore, it will come under not equally outcome. Because many reasons are there for not starting the car. Therefore, it is not equally outcome. So let's see now the second one. A player attempts to shoot a basketball. She or he shoots or misses the shot. Here also if you see a basketball player, if the player is a good player, then he will shoot the ball. But if he is a learner or just a average player, then many chances are there for missing the shot. Therefore, this experiment depends upon the ability of the player. Therefore, this will fall under not equally Now third one, a trial is made to answer a true-false question. The answer is right or wrong. Now in this matter, true or false, normally either true or false. There is no other condition you have. Either the answer should be right or the answer should be wrong. So there is a equal chances are there. Therefore, this will come under equally likely outcome. Now the last one, a baby is born. It is a boy or a girl. Now this type will come under equally likely outcome because equally likely outcome because a boy or a girl, we don't have any other condition there. Either the child should be born baby, boy, or the child should be born as a girl. There is no other condition for this. Therefore, this comes under equally likely outcome. That's it. Thank you. God bless.